Many people think PCBA quality is mainly about final inspection, but real stability starts long before production begins. Boards, components, labels, and batch status are checked first, so risky materials do not go straight onto the line. Storage conditions matter too. For moisture-sensitive parts, open materials, and shop floor handling. Poor control here creates problems later. Before production, we also check the key data to make sure materials, programs, and production requirements all match. So for us, quality control does not start at placement. It starts with incoming materials, storage, and production preparation. Once production starts, the priority becomes clear. Do not wait until the end to see the result. Catch issues as early as possible at each critical step. It starts with solder paste printing. If printing is not stable, placement and soldering will both be affected. So we first watch the print result, then use SPI to verify solder volume, position, and consistency. Once placement begins, first article inspection becomes important. We confirm the program, reference positions, orientation, polarity, and other key points first, so the rest of the batch can run more steadily. And during mass production, it is not enough to just let the machines run. Material loading, placement status, machine condition, and online checks are all followed continuously to keep variation under control. After ref low, soldering quality becomes a key checkpoint. Besides controlling the reflow process itself, we also use nitrogen reflow to improve soldering stability. Then AOI checks common assembly defects, and for hidden joints like BGA or QFN, X-ray gives us a deeper look. Of course, machine inspection is not the whole story. For suspicious points or positions that need confirmation, we also use visual inspection and human review instead of relying on machine judgment alone. And if the product includes through-hole assembly, manual soldering, or selective soldering, those downstream steps stay under control as well. Depending on product requirements, we may also run electrical checks, ICT, or functional testing to make sure the board is not only assembled, but actually works as expected. Before shipment, the focus is no longer just whether the process ran steadily. It becomes whether the boards are truly ready to be delivered with confidence. Electrical verification and functional testing are completed according to product requirements. Because for the customer, it is not enough that a board is assembled correctly. It also needs to work properly. Beyond function, appearance, and key details still need one more review. Solder condition, component integrity, connector position, and markings all still matter at the final stage. We also confirm traceability at this stage. When batch data, testing, inspection, and production records are all kept clear, delivery follow-up, inquiries, and issue tracing become much more efficient. Before packing and shipment, we make one more delivery check. The goal is simple: to make sure the customer receives not just a finished PCBA. Before packing and shipment, we make one more delivery check. The goal is simple: to make sure the customer receives not just a finished PCBA,